Hello everyone, welcome to the AI Agents playlist. In this first video, we are going to answer the most fundamental question. What exactly is an AI agent? And how is it different from the chatbots and AI tools you might already be familiar with? Let's get started. Before we understand AI agents, let's quickly look how traditional software and basic chatbots work. They follow fixed rules. You ask a question, it matches a pattern and splits out a pre-written answer. This works fine for simple things like FAQs. But the moment things get even slightly complex, they fall apart. There is no real thinking happening, no adaptability, no learning. An AI agent is a software application powered by a large language model or LLM that can automatically or autonomously perform tasks. Now, here is the key difference you need to remember. A regular chatbot answers questions. An AI agent actually does something about it. It makes decisions, takes actions, and coordinates multiple steps to reach a goal. There is a fundamentally different level of intelligence. Let's break down the three levels. First, a basic chatbot. It responds based on script or training. Then there is a RAG system, which stands for Retrieval Augmented Generation. This is smarter. It pulls in relevant information before answering. So responses are more accurate and grounded. But an AI agent goes one step further. It does not just retrieve an answer. It acts. It coordinates steps, uses tools, makes decisions, and completes tasks before start to finish. Think of it like the difference between someone telling you what to do versus someone actually doing it for you. Let's make this concrete with real world example. Imagine you run an online retail business. Every single day, hundreds of customers are messaging you with questions about their orders. Things like, where is my package? When will it ship? What is your return policy? Etc. Now you could hire a team to answer all of this manually, or you could use a basic chatbot with scripted answers. But neither solution is truly efficient. This is exactly where an AI agent comes in. Here is how an AI agent handles this. Step 1. A customer sends a message asking when their order will ship. Step 2. The AI agent doesn't just guess or give a generic answer. It actually accesses your order management system, finds that specific customer's order, and reads the real data. Step 3. Based on what it found, it generates a personalized, accurate response. Something like, your order will ship tomorrow and you will receive a tracking link via email once it's on its way. No human needed, no waiting, just instant, accurate service. So, what does the business actually gain here? Three big things. First, super quick response times. Customer get answers instantly, which keeps them happy and loyal. Second, your human staff is freed up. Instead of answering the same repetitive questions all day, they can focus on complex issues that actually need a human touch. And third, your overall productivity gets improved. More gets done with less effort. And remember, unlike a basic chatbot, the agent is not just reading from a script, it's thinking, retrieving real data, acting, and all on its own. Here is another comparison that makes the difference really clear. Let's say you are an insurance company. A RAG system could help answer questions about what a policy covers. That is useful, but an AI agent could actually process an entire insurance claim from end to end, analyzing the submitted documents, checking whether the claim meets policy requirements, calculating how much should be paid out, and even coordinating with other systems or departments when needed. That is the power of an AI agent. It doesn't just inform, it executes. The concept of software agents has existed for years, but what makes today's AI agents genuinely new and exciting is this: they don't need predefined rules, they understand context on their own. They can tune their decision based on the specific situation they are in, and they learn and improve from every interaction. You are not just getting a bot that follows a flowchart. You are getting a system that is capable of making advanced intelligent decisions in real time. That is a massive leap forward. And companies are catching on fast. According to Capgemini's research, 10% of organizations are already using AI agents today. More than half plan to adapt them by 2026, and a massive 82% plan to integrate AI agents into their workflow within the next 3 years. This is not a future technology anymore, it is happening right now. The question for any business or professional is not whether to pay attention to AI agents, it's where you can afford not to. Let's do a quick recap before we wrap up. An AI agent is a software application powered by an LLM that can autonomously perform tasks. Unlike chatbots, agents don't just answer, they act. Unlike RAG systems, agents don't just retrieve and inform, they execute end to end. We saw this in action with the online retail example, where an agent handled a customer query by actually accessing order data and generating a real personalized response. And with 82% of companies planning to adapt this technology in the next 3 years, this is the right time to understand it. In the next video, we are going to look at why AI agents matter from a business perspective, the real numbers, the real impact, and which industries are already seeing the biggest gains. Make sure you are following this playlist so you don't miss it. See you in the next one. Thank you.